Hey y'all, good morning. So I have my, sorry for the angle y'all. So I have my phone on, what am I saying? I have my phone on my stand for the directions. But anyway, it's the day of the event of the market. I think we got like an hour and a half drive. Let me put the directions in. We just stopped to get gas. My husband is in there getting some coffee. We're at a rest stop. Let me just log my directions in. So anyway, y'all, I already forgot something, but I'm like, whatever, girl. I'm just gonna do what I do, and I'll be okay. But anyway, we got an hour and 13 minutes. Not bad. There goes the hubs. Continue. Oh gosh, I can't.
Hey.
Alright. So anyway. Thank you.
It's kind of too dark.
No, I know. So that is the directions. There we go. We're gonna get on the road and I'll see you in a bit.
Continue on I-278 West. In 2 miles, take exit 46 toward Manhattan. In a 1/4 mile, take the Franklin D. Roosevelt East River Drive south exit on the left.
Hey, don't come see me today, okay? I ain't got nothing for you.
is part of the fall and winter collection. Nanny's Southern Kitchen, baked sweets, love, and that toasty feel. We've got that nice sweet potato and caramel fragrance. Other fragrance in the fall and winter collection is the Snow Lake Cottage. Nice mix of mandarin and cranberry. And then the other one is Evergreen Lane. So nice pine fragrance. Then you have your body smoothies. I'm going to go ahead and open these up to sample. This is Oh So Golden. It is the shea butter with the apricot kernel oil. I just have these out for the fall and winter season. And then the Sweet Calm is a nice lavender fragrance scent. And we got that. Okay. And we got the totes going on. Wonderlust is calling. And we have the Spice Market Tour, City Night Soiree, and the Scenic Route fragrances. Okay. And we have a Petals Moscato and Getaway. Vitamin B, Vacation Does the Mind Good. Yes, indeed. Destination. Okay. And then we have some more of our travel totes. Catching Flights is my cardio. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. A must-have for traveling. And then we have another Catching Flights is my cardio. We got the sun shining. There we go. All right. And y'all, this is one of my favorites. Please remain seated, because you know when you are flying and you know the plane about to pull up to the gate, right? And people want to start getting up from their seats, and it didn't even come to a complete stop. So we have please remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. So we got that, and we have arrivals and departures. Okay. All right, guys. So that is a Golden Endurance Living. We are at the Grand Bazaar NYC. And there you go. Hey y'all, so the market is officially open. It's 10 o'clock, so it is 10. It runs 10 to 5 today. I have my assistant over here, aka Babe. I'm turning video. Thank you. Anyway, so if you are having a person come and help you out, definitely let them know the specials that are taking place with their... Don't mind him. Let them know the specials that are taking place, and the deals. Okay, that's very important. So yeah, so he went and scoped out the market. And I think there's like 2 other candle vendors. So yeah, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll try to get some footage. All right, see you in a bit. About 4.5 hours left. We've made a few sales, so that's pretty good. Talking to
Kimberly.
the Golden Endurance.
Kimberly.
You're not in frame. I can't. Why are you gonna be in frame?
Kimberly.
So anyway, yeah, Sam went and he's been walking around just checking like different vendor spots. He got some pulled pork. He got like a pulled pork sandwich. I should have pulled the camera out, but I didn't think about, I guess I didn't do it. I didn't think about it until after he finished eating it, but it was pretty good. There was a Brazilian place. I saw some.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, so why did you
straight
say?
Down there.
Oh.
Because she turned her table sideways.
Oh, okay.
And then she moved back, and I thought she disappeared.
Oh, okay.
But it looks really good.
So he might go get a sign.
It says gluten free.
Anyway, so we shall see. But yeah, guys. So far so good. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah, so I'll come back in a bit.
If you can't hear her, leave something in the comment telling her to talk up, because I tell her to do it all the time. She'll listen to me.
Yeah, I don't really talk loud.
I can just give you a discount.
That's nice.
Oh, I love your lipstick.
Oh, thank you.
Not Madison.
You guys like it? But it kind of looks like a yes. But that Madison Montgomery.
Hey y'all, checking back in. It's about almost 3:15. So I've been doing pretty good with sales. So I don't know if I mentioned fall and winter fragrance that has been definitely popular. Been selling a lot of those of the 8-ounce size tin and the 4-ounce size tin. So the Evergreen Lane has been very popular. It is like a sparkling champagne and pine fragrance together. That has definitely been very popular. The Snow Lake Cottage, another popular scent. So I've been doing pretty well. So yeah. Hey y'all, so we packed up. The event was a success.
Success.
I can't. Great job, my assistant.
No problem. I'm getting my steak and caviar, so we good.
I don't know where he think he is.
She said
he gonna get a steak and cheese from Subway.
Listen, she said, if you come help me, I'm going to pay for dinner. She didn't say what her budget is. I would settle for McDonald's or something like that.
McDonald's can happen, yes.
But my heart is in it that I got a baller of a wife. And then I got shoot for the stars now and settle for the moon.
Shoot for the stars, but settle for the moon. Okay, then you can settle for steak and cheese from Subway. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, it was a pretty good success. So yay. I might come in later on. Maybe I'll do another clip or something onto this. Just on maybe some things I would do differently. I think the next time I'm here is November 13th, 16th. I think November 13th or 16th I'm back, and then that will be it for this location at the Grand Bazaar. So right now we're just waiting in the car. It is jam-packed. It is jam-packed, so it is very limited parking. We are trying to get out, so it is double parked. I try to get some clips, like, so you can see how, so it's on a school ground, and so Sam got my assistant got the camera.
Listen, I mean, that's why I'm earning my dinner.
I don't know what caviar. So it's on a like school ground, and so it's like on their outside track where they have tents set up, and then they have indoor space. So Sam said he went into the gymnasium where the indoor vendors were. So how was that? What can you report on the indoor vendor space?
It was very fine, thank you.
That's it?
That's enough to report. Bye-bye.
He's so extra. He's so extra.
So
I can't with him.
So when I went inside there was a lot of vendors. They had to be like at least like 10, 11. It wasn't
a lot.
It was a lot. I mean, it was a tight space. So 10, 11 was kind of tight in that space.
Okay.
So, but it was a lot of people there. A lot of jewelry. There was another candle vendor. There was a coin vendor for exotic coins and $2 bills and all that good stuff. So it was nice, but tight.
Tight.
Very
So
tight.
I'm glad I chose to keep the outdoor space, just because open air, and there's a lot of people already there out on the outdoor vending area. So yeah, what do we have to eat today? So they had was a smoked mac and cheese. That was okay. Wish it was hotter, because it's kind of just warm. There wasn't they had Brazilian food, Korean, but I'm telling you, things can get a little expensive in the city. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. But yeah, y'all, thanks for hanging out with me today. With us, my bad. Oh. Thanks for watching, and basically just follow me as I prepared for the event. It is a lot, and you who do vendor events, it is a lot of prep work that goes into it, and just making sure you have everything. I know I forgot.